Today, I'll show you 3 detailed tips and tricks as well as some examples that you can use to grow your smaller YouTube channel. Hello, I'm JJ and welcome to Budget Zero. You guys might have scrolled down to see my subscriber counts, which right now I think is around 4,000 subs. And I might not be the most suitable person to talk about growing on YouTube since I have such a small audience. But you must know that some scenery can only be seen by ants. Without further ado, here's tip number 1. It's alright to make similar content as others, as you know that YouTube is flooding with videos every single minute. And you might think that the content is too saturated and you might not rank high as those bigger YouTubers, but I'll tell you, it is alright to do so. To make your videos stand out from others, make sure you have a more specific title that shows that you have extra content in your video, as well as a good thumbnail that is different from the others. You can easily gain views from those. So here's an example from my videos and my experience. Everyone is making the same video tutorial with the same purpose at the end. So I would think that how could I change my title or thumbnail to stand out from the rest? But since in this COVID-19 situation, there are not many videos with Zoom. Therefore, I utilized a spare room and created a video specifically for Zoom. However, little did I know that it was actually really helpful to a lot of people and I gained many subs from there on. And even if your videos don't rank high, you will still get views because people are constantly searching for content that meets specifically to their needs. And as a small YouTuber, you might feel the need that big YouTubers couldn't. Tip number 2. Providing value to others. This is vital to gain subscribers. If you can provide some sort of value in your content and your viewers learn something from it or have a good laugh, they will most likely subscribe to you. But if you do not have any skills worthy to teach others like me, think about your hobby or interest or your YouTube niche. So for instance, even though my channel is about budget technology reviews and also online experiments, I try to think hard to incorporate some value into my videos so that people can at least learn something from it. Even if you're a vlogger or comedy gamer, you can still provide good value such as teaching people how to vlog or some small tips and tricks that only you know in your game. And by providing value, you can easily turn your viewers into subscribers and people can also find your tutorial easily. The point is, you can provide value in any kind of topic, just be creative. One disclaimer that I need to point out after observing YouTube content for years is that you can easily gain views and subscribers by making tutorial contents on YouTube, but you need to prepare that not every content or tutorial videos will gain the same amount of views as your last videos. This is actually quite evident in the technology niche because I've seen tech channels with over 100k subscribers, but every time they uploaded a video they only have like 1k subs, whereas with other niches, other tutorial niches, they have like 50k subscribers but they have a constantly 20k, 10k views at least. The biggest reason tends to be that people only watch your tutorial video to get your problem solved. And after that, if you don't make a tutorial video relating to them or their niche, you will most likely not gain consistent views, because as we know that views is equals to amount of money made. However, this can be countered in 2 ways. Either make your tutorial videos in a very specific niche and every tutorial is related to other, or you make your tutorial video enough general so that everyone in that niche will know. Tip number 3. Utilize trends and celebrities. Basically, it's targeting keywords that is really popular right now. People do not know who you are at first, and by utilizing trends and famous people, you will get discovered easily and gain views due to the YouTube search algorithm. Popular celebrities have already an existing audience and the audience is really big. And taking the opportunity to make content and discussing about them will put your content out to thousands of people. People might watch your videos because of those trending or famous celebrities, but it is also giving you the opportunity to shine through your content. And if people like them, they will definitely view and also subscribe. Discussions about trending topics like right now, COVID-19 and Black Lives Matter, will potentially put you through a lot of exposure and an explosive growth with your content. And imagine if you combine some of the tips that I explained in this video. For example, utilizing the trend and providing value. So this how to use your phone as a webcam has so many views is because I first make my topic more specific, and then I utilize a trending topic like COVID-19, and since Zoom is the most popular video conferencing software during this COVID-19, I will make a tutorial that provide values to others, and therefore it is right now gaining a lot of organic views. In conclusion, there are two basic ways that you can grow on YouTube, either by YouTube recommendation or people searching for your videos. To be honest with you, when starting out in YouTube, I think you need to always focus on people searching your videos, because YouTube don't recommend your videos unless people watch them. And if you do not have an initial audience and nobody watches your video, YouTube can't recommend it because it doesn't have enough data. And I would like to acknowledge all those big YouTubers like Think Media, that their advice is really helpful and you will need to also learn from them. And this is just my small YouTuber perspective on things and how I also used to grow my channel over 1,000 subs from I think 69 subscribers to 1,000 subs in 1 month. Again, if you find this helpful, make sure to like and also subscribe if you want more content about budget technologies and also some tips. Thank you for watching and happy growing. Budget Zero out.